In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Google Sheets. Page numbers are essential when you're sharing or printing a long spreadsheet because they make it easy for people to follow along and keep pages in order. In Google Sheets, page numbers don't appear on the grid while you edit. They're added through the print settings so they show up on paper or in a PDF. Here's how to set them up clearly and confidently. Start by opening your Google Sheet, the file you actually want to print. Make sure the content, page breaks, and layout are roughly how you want them because the numbers will reflect how the sheet is split into pages. Next, go to File, then Print. This opens the print preview window where you can see exactly how your sheet will look on the page. On the right side, you'll find the settings panel. Look for the section labeled Headers and Footers. This is where Google Sheets lets you add supplemental information like titles, dates, and of course, page numbers. Select Headers and Footers to expand it, then check the box for page numbers. As soon as you do, glance at the preview on the left. You should see page numbers appear on each page in the preview. Remember, these are for printing and exporting, not for the editing view. If you don't immediately see them, make sure you're viewing multiple pages in the preview and that your content actually spans more than one page. Now choose where to place them, either in the header at the top or the footer at the bottom. Use the placement controls within the headers and footers settings to switch between header and footer and to position the number left, center, or right. As you adjust the placement, watch the preview update so you can pick the spot that's most readable for your layout. Top center is great for formal reports, while bottom right is a common choice for multi-page tables. A few quick tips as you finalize the look. If numbers seem to land too close to your content, increasing margins in the print settings can give them breathing room. If your sheet spills over onto many pages, consider adjusting scaling so the page breaks fall where you expect. The numbering will follow those breaks. Also note that page numbers apply to the sheet you're printing, and each sheet typically starts its own numbering sequence. That's it. With page numbers enabled and placed where you want them in the header or footer, your printed or exported Google Sheet will be much easier to navigate and share.